Hello and welcome to your 8th C# tutorial. This one is going to be about loops, which is essentially running the same section of code several times over. So something I did do, I believe it was in the first tutorial, is I wrote console.writeLine blah, blah, and then I copied and pasted it a bunch of times. And you're probably thinking, well, you can't do that for everything. That'd be really, really inefficient if I wanted to do like 1,000 or something. I don't want to be like, gotta copy paste all these. I'm gonna go back up. Gotta go copy paste some more. Yeah, you don't. There are several kinds of loops. This time you're gonna learn about while loops, which is essentially while x do y. So you do while some condition. This is a condition just like the for loop. It can also be a boolean, so you could also do while true, and that means it'll never end. That's called an infinite loop, and you should never do that unless you know exactly why you're doing it. Usually you shouldn't do it even then, because there's usually a reason. It's usually better just to not do it. So you do while the condition. I'm not going to really do a real condition, or not a real. Whoops, that came out wrong. I'm not going to do it with any well, I'm not going to do while true. It's not going to be infinite. So int I equals 0. You don't have to. It doesn't matter what you call it. You can call it like increment. It's probably a better name for it. So while the increment is less than 20, increment plus plus. Essentially, what this does is it sets a variable called increment to 0, and then while this variable is less than 20, we add 1 to it, and then we go back here, check if it's less than 20. If it is, we add 1 to it again, and we just keep doing that. And that means it'll run 20 times, because it'll run from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and all 19, and then it'll stop, and it'll bring us down to here. And to illustrate this, increment, compile our code and run it, and you'll see it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. And then it waits for us to hit enter again until the program exits. This is very useful because, for example, if you wanted to write something like 10,000 times or something, you don't want to have to write the same line 10,000 times, but at this, well, total is 24 lines, but really it's more of like 6 or 7 lines. Now I can write out 10,000 different lines of input, and I have nowhere near 10,000 lines of code. Not even close. So this is how you accomplish that task. The only kind of loop we're going to learn about this time is going to be while loop. Next tutorial will be about a different kind of loop called a for loop, which is very useful for many things. Thanks for watching. Sources in the description, and goodbye.